Can you cancel a mobile order on the Starbucks app? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, made a mobile order at Starbucks and need to cancel it? Well, let me walk you through what's possible and a honest truth. So, here the app doesn't let you to cancel directly. So, here is how you can handle it. So, as I said earlier, unfortunately, the Starbucks doesn't have a cancel order button once your mobile order is in progress. So here, the fastest way is to call the store where you have placed the order, and you can simply ask them to stop it before preparing, and baristas can't refund to you over the phone, too you must be there in person for the refund. So here you can process a refund when you're physically in store. We can't just do over the phone. So here, if you can't get to store, you can simply use help options which can be seen in the app. So here you can simply go to the help section to ask for the app to request a refund through the Starbucks support. It's because once an order is sent to kitchen, it's out of control, and only in-store refund can put money back on your card immediately. So while there is no one click cancel in the app, acting fast by calling or going in is the best bet. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.